Hello friends, teeth grinding or bruxism often occurs during sleep. This is called sleep or nocturnal bruxism. You may also grind your teeth or clench your jaw subconsciously while you are awake. This is known as awake bruxism. Today I am going to tell how to stop teeth grinding. So I am Dr. Poonam and you are watching my channel Smile Openly. If you grind your teeth, there are things you can do to stop it. Some remedies may work better than others depending on the underlying cause of your teeth grinding and symptoms. Your dentist or doctor can help guide you to your best solution for ending bruxism. First, mouth guards and splints. Mouth guards are a kind of occlusal splint that may be helpful for sleep bruxism. They work by cushioning your teeth and stopping them from grinding against each other while you sleep. Mouth guards can be custom made at the dentist's office or purchased over the counter. If you have chronic sleep bruxism, custom made mouth guards may help protect your teeth from damage. They may also reduce the strain on your jaw. Custom made mouth guards are more expensive than purchased over the counter options but may be a better choice for some people. Custom made mouth guards come in varying degree of thickness. They are fitted specifically to your jaw size and shape. They are typically more comfortable than store-bought mouth guards as they are made of softer material. Purchased over the counter or OTC mouth guard. Nighttime mouth guards are typically made of plastic. For some people, these aren't as comfortable as custom made ones. When purchasing on OTC mouth guard, look for that's made of soft plastic or one that can be boiled to soften it. OTC mouth guards may not be as effective for severe bruxism as custom made types, but their low cost may make them an attractive and viable solution for people with minor teeth grinding. Second is reductive coronoplasty. Reductive coronoplasty is a dental procedure that may be used to reshape or level the biting surface of your teeth. It may be effective if your teeth grinding is caused by crowded, misaligned or crooked teeth. In some instances, a second procedure called additive coronoplasty may be used to build up the teeth. Your dentist can perform either procedure. Next is stress reduction techniques. For some people, teeth grinding may be linked to mental health issues like stress, depression and anxiety. More research is needed to link bruxism to these conditions though. If you grind your teeth, stress reduction technique may help in some cases. Stress reduction can also benefit your overall health, so it's a low risk remedy. Now I am going to tell some stress reduction techniques like meditation, yoga, talk therapy, exercise. Meditation may help reduce stress and alleviate anxiety, pain and depression. Try downloading a meditation app or joining a meditation group. Meditation takes practice. It may be best used in conjunction with other treatments too. Find out which type of meditation is best for you. Next, yoga. Yoga is also very effective to reduce stress. More large-scale studies are needed to understand yoga's effects on depression though. Then talk therapy. Talking to a therapist, counselor or trusted friend may help reduce anxiety, depression and stress. If your stress is affecting your daily life, a psychiatrist may also prescribe medications to help reduce stress and anxiety if needed. Then exercise. Exercise also reduces stress by producing feel-good endorphins. If you are new to exercise, start slow. Try building daily activity into your life at first. You may also need to explore a variety of activities to find one that helps you relax. Next, tongue and jaw muscle exercise. Tongue and jaw muscle exercise can help you relax the jaw and facial muscles and maintain proper alignment of your jaw. You can try these at home or work with a physical therapist. So this remedies is very helpful for teeth grinding. If this video is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any dental related query, you can ask me by commenting through comment box. Thank you.